Day 43. Love does its homework. It is the glory of God to conceal a matter, and the glory of kings to investigate a matter. Proverbs 25:2. Here's another premeditated promise you can make to yourself and your spouse. When you feel yourself getting irritated by something the other has said or done, put your anger on hold until you can get all the facts. Proverbs 18:13 says, "The one who gives an answer before he listens, this is foolishness and a disgrace for him." Sometimes there's a reason for what happened. In fact, what they did may have been the best choice to make, given the circumstances. Other factors may also have colored the situation. Maybe getting mad at you for paying a bill late had more to do with the frustrated mood they were already in. Before acting on your assumptions, ask a few questions. Investigate. Try sitting down with your spouse and getting to the heart of the matter. And even if your suspicions turn out to be true, even if their reasons still leave you irritated, give them the benefit of the doubt. Your anger probably won't keep it from happening again, but your love and patience might. This week's dare. Write out a list of 5 things your spouse has done to make you angry. Ask God for patience and wisdom and to keep you from harboring any bitterness. Tear up the list and throw it away as an act of love.